Hello, Hugo Plays gang. I know that I've been gone for a week, but it's just that I have a lot of problems coming my way. But something came in the mail. When I was at my dad's house, he's gone. So, look. This pocket knife, and I want to show you something. So you use your fingernails to cut it, to bring it out. This is the blade part. Here's the blade, and also beside it we have this thingy, this googer thingy, and also we have these scissors thingies. And secretly on the knife, we have these tweakers. And we also have a toothpick. Tweakers and a toothpick. So I hope like the video, share it with your friends, everyone in your family, and subscribe. If you subscribe, then that means I can do more videos and I can do more. Bye!